Stop. Want to learn a new language super fast? I'm Elio from Mondosol, and I'm about to show you the easiest way to master any language. No boring textbooks, just real results. Let's go. Did you know most language learners give up within the first month? What if you could learn smarter, not harder? Stay with me, I'll show you how in just a few easy steps. Let's go. Tip 1. Set realistic, bite-sized goals. Instead of planning to be fluent in 6 months, aim for 10 minutes a day. Celebrating small wins with quick conversations or new words keeps motivation high. Tip 2. Ditch boring textbooks and immerse yourself in real content. Watch short videos, listen to local music, or follow social media accounts in your target language. The brain learns faster with relevant material. And don't be afraid to talk. Even if it's just saying hello or ordering a coffee, practice speaking early. Use free apps to connect with native speakers all over the world. Here's a pro tip. Set up daily reminders with apps to keep your streak going. Just 5 to 10 minutes every day adds up to huge gains over time. So, ready to unlock your language learning superpower? Start with small steps, immerse yourself, speak out loud, and use your tech tools. If you learned something new, like and subscribe to Mondosol for more tips from me, Elio Mondello. What language do you want to learn next? Tell me in the comments below.